if you're on a budget, and who isn't, and you want to mix an amazing array of colors, try these 3 colors and white. I love golden acrylics. This will all be in the description. Benzimidazolone, yellow medium, phthalo blue, green shade, and quinacridone magenta, and then white for tinting. But you can make limitless colors just using these. Watch. So you can keep going. Any combination of these 3, and then add your tints, and you can just keep making slightly different colors with only 4 tubes.